unlocking answers to your most sought-after questions. What's in the Knowledge Vault today?
In Florida, refrigerators are not tax-free year-round. However, during specific tax-free holidays designated for energy-efficient appliances, consumers can purchase qualifying refrigerators without paying sales tax. These holidays are aimed at encouraging the purchase of energy-saving products, including certain refrigerators. To benefit, check the Florida Department of Revenue for the dates and qualifications of upcoming tax-free events.
Your daily dose of discovery ends here, but the journey of learning never stops. Subscribe and join us again for more answers tomorrow.